Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And right now I will be watching the trailer of Narivetta. Now, this was released like 5 days back. This trailer released 5 days back. So I'm late in reacting to this. This stars Tovino and Suraj, and this is directed by Anurag Manohar, who directed Ishq. That was one of the first, like the initial Malayalam films that I had watched and reviewed on this channel. That was like almost 4 years back, I think, 4.5 years back. So yeah, very very happy to see him direct another film, and I don't want to delay this any further. Let's watch this trailer right away. There's one for them all. Okay.
വനഭൂമിയിൽ പെർമിറ്റ് ഇല്ലാതെ കട്ടിയ കുടിലുകൾ ഇപ്പൊ പോലീസ് പൊളിച്ചിരിക്കാൻ പോവുകയാണ്. എല്ലാവരും സഹകരിക്കുക.
Director of Ishq, yes.
കേസെടുത്തിട്ടില്ല, കൊണ്ടുവയ്ക്കുവാനെ.
അവര് നിന്നെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ചെയ്തരോ?
Oh, true events. Okay.
இந்த ஹீரோயிசம்லாம் இங்க வேணாம்.
നമുക്ക് എത്തി 5 ശരിക്കും മോണ്ടിയെ സ്ഥലം 5 ശരിക്കും മോണ്ടിയെ.
ഇതിപ്പോ ഇവന്മാർക്ക് നമ്മള് കാവല് നിൽക്കുന്ന പോലെയല്ലേ സാറേ?
இதுபோல வெல் ஆர்கனைஸ்டு ப்ரொட்டஸ்ட் ட்ரைபல் லீடர்ஸ் மட்டும் நினைச்சு நடக்காது.
Intelligence report have stated that the strike is supported by the Maoist groups.
എന്നാലും
Okay.
പോലീസുകാർ ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ചെയ്യുമെന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല.
കെട്ടിയ കുടിലുകൾ മുഴുവൻ പൊളിച്ച് സ്ഥലം വിട്ടോളാം.
പേടിയില്ല സാറേ, മരിക്കുന്നെങ്കിൽ ഈടെ കിടന്ന് മരിക്കാം.
When the system fails, revolution begins. That is so true.
ബാലിസ്റ്റിക് റിപ്പോർട്ട് കിട്ടി. ബോഡിയിൽ നിന്ന് കണ്ടെത്തി ബുള്ളറ്റ് ഫയർ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് ഈ റൈഫിൽ നിന്നാണ്.
KP5 126 എന്റെ റൈഫിളാണ്.
This looks so intense. Jakes.
വിശ്വാസം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലും ഇല്ലെങ്കിലും ഒന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ചേക്ക്. ഒരിക്കലും ഇതെടുത്ത് ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ ഇടവരുത്തരുത്.
No wonder the music is so intense. Jakes is so good at that.
കുറ്റം ചെയ്തത് ഞാൻ മാത്രമല്ലല്ലോ സാറേ.
போராட்டக்காரர்களை காலுக்கு கீழே தான் சுடணும்னு ஆர்டர். ஆனா அவர் கேஸ் நெஞ்சுக்கு நேரா சுட்டிருக்கு. ஐ விட்னஸ் இருக்கு.
Okay. This I'll be able to catch. Damn, that looks crazy actually. Okay, let me stop this. That was intense. That was intense. So I don't know which true event that this story is actually referring to. If you know, please comment down below. This seems to me like Tovino is the villain here. He is that brutal police officer, and this is a very complicated and a very sensitive subject as such, because when you have people residing in the forest and then you have the police force on the other hand, and if you want people to move out from the forest for whatever reason, the government has sanctioned something, they want to clear the land, they want to do some development, and because of that they send the police force, right? And the police has to negotiate, and they have to ensure that the people over there are they leave and they give the land, they clear the land. But in such cases you always see a resistance happening because nobody wants to leave their home, and if the police has to take forceful action, then there's this huge tussle. So it seems to be like it is following those beats, and Tovino's character here seems to be the brutal police officer who is not following the set protocol that is supposed to be followed to make all these forest people or the village people, to make them leave the land. So definitely this is going to be a very very intense film, and the subject has to be treated with a lot of sensitivity, with a lot of nuance, and you have to in a very unbiased way show both the sides, right? Because in this, for matters like these, there's no right and no wrong. It's not black and white, because it's a huge gray area and both the perspectives give strong arguments. So how do you reach that middle ground? I don't know what happened in the actual events. What did the police do, and what was the kind of retaliation? Because it's clearly said that when system fails you, the revolution begins. So there was definitely some sort of police brutality that was shown towards these villagers or the people who are residing in the forest. And then they also have picked up the arms, which were supported by the Maoists. That's what all of this suggests. And so how it concludes is what is to be seen. And this is something that we know is an ongoing issue. This is not fiction, it's a reality in so many parts of our country. So yeah, let's see how this topic is dealt with. But overall, from this trailer, it looks very, very intense, very real, very grounded, very brutal. So I'm having a positive vibes from this film, that it's going to be a good one. And yes, that was my reaction to Narivetta. And let me know what are your thoughts for this particular film. And I'm going to sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.